Hi, I'm Che-YuWu. I'm going to introduce about my daily generative art projects since April. This project is to build my generative art portfolio and also test what can I make with p5.js. The past 2 years, I'm the creative coding TA, so I create a lot of testing sketches, but none of them are very complete artworks. So I try to grab any technique and any thoughts I've learned in p5.js and start to create on a daily basis. I am using open processing platform. Since April, I create a series of artworks. I'm going to quickly scan through all the things I've tried and what I've done in the past 2 months. So I created this project since April 5th. This week, I'm testing about recursive strategy to draw these shapes and also test about particles and how to keep their trace to keep like a drawing. This one is the selected one, so when you click on it, it will divide the rectangle based on random number and possibility. And I try to change different color theme. The other one is this particle brush. The particles will rotate around the corner, and if you disable the rotation, it will just look like a noise mapping thing. In the following week, I start to test with some repeated patterns like repeated flowers, repeated leaves, repeated cylinders to form a 3D earth, or repeat lollipops. Here is the cool one. I draw based on these color codes, and I try to lerp within these 5 colors and spray the particles on the canvas and spray it and rotate the canvas by time basis. The other one is this 3D cylinder earth. I really like the cylinder and the color lights from the side to make it very colorful. Next week, I still test a lot of particle systems, and also I watch a lot of watercolor and oil painting videos on YouTube and try to learn how to draw this kind of technique and turn them into code art. This is the atomic furnace, and when your mouse moves, you can control the particle motion and rotation, and they will react in the middle. And I like the futuristic UI design of this one. Another one I loved is this energetic bamboo. So I modified the particle system a little bit, and for each span I draw like some detailed lines and I randomly generate some leaves. And I start to test with some painting method like painting with noise, and I generate the gradient based on the mouse position. And when your mouse are on top of the sky, you will generate some stars. Use shear transform of canvas to draw isometric feeling city, and draw the sea based on the oil painting tutorial I saw on YouTube, and that is very playful. In the following week, I start to combine multiple techniques like shadow, shapes, and 3D to form a more complete work. Randomly make the particles turn in grid direction to build this kind of pattern, or build light flake based on transform. And I like the blend mode of screen. It sounds like glowing, and I really like the geometric shapes. Also testing some abstract pattern in WebGL, and make a crazy score that will explode and fade away based on your mouse position. In the last week, I made a lot of works with glowing and particles, such as the rotating circle and the glowing anemone, and also like flower heaven, lychee window, and aqua planet. There are waters and also wave circuits. I really like the particle system in aqua planet, and it's like so moving in the void, and you can play with it. I'm using noise and using trace and also blend mode to make the glowing effect of the particles. This is the glowing anemone, and you can play around by mouse, and it will shake based on your mouse position. This is the wave circuit, and I generate a lot of different sine waves and square waves, sending colorful signals. I really think this kind of project pushed me forward, and I have the ability to test with more different techniques, and I hope I can continue this challenge in the future. And if you are interested in my work, you can go to che-yuwu.com/arts to get the sketch links to play with my projects. Thank you.